Here is Newton's Cradle. This was sent to me so I could try it out. I've always wanted one of these for my desk. First of all, it looks super professional, I think, because in the movies and stuff, you always see these on like the big boss's desk. Ooh, so there's instructions in here. I don't really know a lot of history behind these, so it's time to learn. There's a little wiping rag material. Ooh, and it's packed very nicely. So let me get it set up on a desk. Here it is out of the box and set up. There's not really a setup. You just remove the packing material very carefully, and then here you go. There are 4 types of ball collisions that are diagrammed here. That's helpful because it's been a while since I've played with one of these. So let's just see. There's one, and it keeps going for a while, kind of. And these balls are magnetic. All of this feels very high quality. And I don't know, this is just kind of fun and almost soothing to listen to and watch. Sometimes things like this help with concentration when you're just like burnt out at your desk and you're just, you know, your brain's over it. Kind of just zone out with this. So as much as this is fun to watch and to show Newton's law of momentum, it's also not a toy because these can get tangled. You have to handle it very carefully. If it does get tangled, it's not the hugest deal. You can untangle it, but these are very clear little lines here, so it might not be the easiest. So just handle it gently. It's not a toy, but there it is with 2 balls at the same time. Yeah, so just a cool thing. I always remember seeing these on people's desks, and now I'm happy to have one on mine.